All right, quick exponent review. X, y to the -3. Negative power does not make anything negative. Does not make anything negative. All it means is you flip it. Now notice the x is not being raised to the negative power, so we're going to flip it, and it's going to turn into x over y to the third. That's it. X over y to the third. Next. X to the 12th times x to the 4th times y to the 0. Multiplication, we add the exponents. X to the 16th. Something you want to remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is really x to the 16th times 1, which is really just x to the 16th. Easy? Yeah, I think so. Not too bad. Easy. First day. Good review. Problem 3, -6 over y squared, all raised to the third. All raised to the third. It is not a negative power. I'm not flipping it. This just means I'm going to multiply itself times 3 times. So this is -6 times -6, which is positive 36, times -6 is -216. Y squared to the third, y squared to the third is y, not to the 5th. We do not add, we multiply to the 6th. -216 over y to the 6th. All right, those are baby problems. Too easy for you. Now we got harder ones, more letters in there. Fractions, 40, x, 14th, y to the 5th, over 6, x to the 19th, y squared. 2 types here. We got numbers and we got variables. This is simply simplifying a fraction. What you did in 5th grade, 6th grade. What's the biggest number I can divide both of those by? The biggest number. I believe it's 2. Divide them both by 2, and we get 20 over 3. That's the number part. The letter part, the variable part, we subtract. That's going to be x to the 5th. Now, where does it go? There are more x's on bottom, so it goes in the bottom. Y to the 5th over y squared, we subtract again, and that's 3. Since there are more y's on top, it's going to go on top. Y to the 3rd. Beautiful. Look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Last one. Last one. 24a squared b to the -3rd over -12a to the 4th b to the 5th, and that's being all being squared. Now there's multiple things we can do here. I think I'm going to deal with the inside. I'm going to simplify the inside first, and then we'll square it. 24 and 12. Divide both of those by what? 12. So that's going to be 2 over -1. Subtract a squared. This b to the -3 comes down to the bottom. So I'm going to save some space here. I'm going to move it to the bottom, save some marker I should say. And that b to the third comes to the bottom. So now, multiplying those two means I add them. That's b to the 8th. Don't forget, I'm squaring everything. So now I'm going to move this way. I'm going to square the top. I'm going to square the bottom. 2 squared is 4. Negative 1 squared is 1. A squared squared. I multiply those and get a to the 4th. Multiply those, I get b to the 16th. Do I need that one front? Nope. There we go. There's our answer. And that's a quick review of exponents.